In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency on the Airbnb mobile. Let's open the Airbnb app. On the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. In the profile page, tap on Account Settings. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Payments. In the top right corner, you can see a $ and USD. Tap on it. Changing the currency on Airbnb is important for travelers and hosts to clearly understand prices in their local or preferred currency. It helps avoid confusion during booking, ensures accurate budgeting, and prevents unexpected charges due to exchange rate differences. For international users, viewing listings and fees in a familiar currency makes the overall booking experience more transparent and trustworthy. Now select your preferred currency from here. Let's select the euro, for example. Here you can see that our currency has changed to euros. If I go back, you can see the pricing of the app has changed to our preferred currency. Following these steps, you can change the currency on Airbnb easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.